Gordon backed down on his train, hissing mournfully. "Cheer up, Gordon," said the Fat Controller. "I can't, sir. The others say I've got boiler ache, but I haven't, sir. I keep thinking about the dreadful state of the world, sir. Is it true, sir, what the Diesels say?" "What do they say?" "They boast that they've abolished steam, sir." "Yes, Gordon, it is true." "What, sir? All my Doncaster brothers drawn at the same time as me?" "All gone, except one." The guard's whistle blew.